Chocolate's journey started over 3,000 years ago with the Maya and Aztecs in Mesoamerica. They revered the cacao tree and consumed xochitl, a bitter drink mixed with spices and chili peppers. The journey of a humble cocoa bean to the creamy, delicious chocolate you know and love is quite the adventure. Here's how it happens. Bean to nib. Harvesting. The journey begins with cocoa pods growing on trees in tropical regions. Farmers cut ripe pods open, revealing sweet pulp surrounding the cocoa beans. Cracking and winnowing. Beans are cracked open to remove the shells, revealing the inner nibs, the heart of chocolate. Shells are discarded or used for non-chocolate products. Fermentation. Beans are piled and covered, allowing natural yeasts and bacteria to break down sugars and develop unique flavors. Drying. Beans are spread out in the sun or heated air to remove moisture and prevent mold. Packing and transportation of cocoa beans, a delicate journey. The journey of a cocoa bean, from farm to factory, is a crucial yet often unsung part of the delicious chocolate you enjoy. It involves careful packing and transportation to ensure the beans arrive fresh and ready for transformation. Jute or sisal bags. Traditionally, densely woven jute or sisal bags are used for bulk packing. Bean to bar magic. It takes about 400 cocoa beans to make 1 pound of chocolate. The process involves fermentation, drying, roasting, grinding, refining, conching, tempering, and molding. Roasting. Nibs are roasted at varying temperatures and times to develop specific flavor profiles. Grinding. Roasted nibs are finely ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This rich, oily paste contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter, the natural fat of the bean. Refining. Chocolate liquor can be further processed to separate cocoa butter from cocoa solids. Cocoa butter is used in making chocolate and other products, while cocoa solids are used for cocoa powder and dark chocolate. Mixing and conching. Depending on the type of chocolate being made, specific ingredients like sugar, milk powder, and lecithin, an emulsifier, are added to the chocolate liquor or cocoa mass. The mixture is then conched, a long kneading process that refines the texture, reduces bitterness, and develops the flavors. Different types of chocolate. Dark chocolate, made with cocoa mass, cocoa butter, sugar, and sometimes lecithin. The higher the cocoa percentage, the richer and more intense the flavor. Milk chocolate, contains milk powder in addition to the basic ingredients of dark chocolate. This gives it a milder, creamier taste. White chocolate, made with cocoa butter, sugar, milk powder, and lecithin, but no cocoa mass. It has a sweet, milky flavor and a smooth texture. Did you know, the humble cocoa bean, the key ingredient in your favorite chocolate bar, undergoes a fascinating journey before reaching your taste buds? For centuries, cacao beans were used as currency in Mesoamerica. You could buy anything from a turkey to a slave with a handful of beans. Luxury item. After conquering the Aztecs, the Spanish brought chocolate to Europe, where it became a luxury enjoyed by royalty and the wealthy. Modern times. Today, chocolate is a global phenomenon, with Switzerland holding the title of the highest per capita consumption. As of 2022, the global annual production of chocolate falls somewhere between 7.4 and 7.6 million tons. This means roughly 20,274 to 20,753 tons of chocolate are produced globally every day. Top producers: Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Nigeria, Indonesia, and Cameroon are the leading cocoa-producing countries, accounting for over 70% of global production. Tempering and molding. Tempering. This crucial step involves precise heating and cooling cycles that align the cocoa butter crystals, giving the chocolate its smooth texture, glossy shine, and satisfying snap. Molding. Tempered chocolate is poured into molds of various shapes and sizes. It then cools and hardens, taking the form of your favorite chocolate bars, candies, or other treats. Science and health. Mood booster. Chocolate contains compounds like anandamide, which are similar to the endocannabinoids found in our brains and contribute to feelings of happiness and well-being. Brain power. Studies suggest that dark chocolate can improve cognitive function and memory due to its flavonols, antioxidants with neuroprotective properties. Health benefits. Moderate consumption of dark chocolate, with a high cocoa content, is linked to potential health benefits like improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and lower risk of diabetes. Chocoholics. The average person consumes around 11 pounds of chocolate per year. Napoleon Bonaparte was a huge fan of chocolate and even carried it with him on military campaigns. Biggest chocolate bar. The largest chocolate bar ever made weighed over 12,000 pounds and was created in England in 2011. Chocolate sculptures. Skilled artists create stunning and intricate sculptures entirely out of chocolate. The finish. Once unmolded, chocolates may be wrapped, decorated, or filled with additional ingredients before reaching your taste buds. I hope this explanation gives you a deeper appreciation for the next piece of chocolate you enjoy. Check the description box for best and delicious chocolate and recipe. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.